ఎవ్రీవన్, ఈ వీడియోలో 8 మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ విత్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. జనరల్‌గా మనకి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ అవైలబుల్ ఉంటాయి. కానీ ఎక్స్‌ప్లనేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఆర్ రేర్ టు గెట్. క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ విత్ సొల్యూషన్ ఉండడం వల్ల ఈ వీడియో లెంత్ కొంచెం పెద్దదిగా ఉంది. కొంచెం ఏం కాదు, చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది. జస్ట్ సిట్ కంఫర్టబుల్లీ అండ్ వాచ్ కంప్లీట్ వీడియో. హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో మనము హైదరాబాద్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ప్రీ ఫైనల్ 2 క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ విత్ ఆన్సర్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ముందుగా పార్ట్ ఏ సెక్షన్ 1. సెక్షన్ 1లో 6 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. చాయిస్ ఉండదు. 2 మార్క్స్ ఈచ్. టోటల్ వెయిటేజ్ 12 మార్క్స్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఫైండ్ ద సెంట్రాయిడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ whose vertices are 2, 3, 1 minus 2, 6, 5. So centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. ఇచ్చిన పాయింట్స్ ని x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 అనుకొని ఫార్ములాలో రిప్లేస్ చేయాలి. సో మనం ఫార్ములాలో రిప్లేస్ చేశాక 2 plus 1 plus 6 is 9 by 3, 3 minus 2 plus 5 by 3 is 6 by 3. So centroid value is 3, 2. Second question, write a is equal to x such that x is equal to 1 by n square, n belongs to natural number, n is less than or equal to 5 in rooster form. ఇది సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది, మనం రూస్టర్ ఫామ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. సో రూస్టర్ ఫామ్ ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ ఏంటంటే 1 by n స్క్వేర్ అంటే 1 by 1 స్క్వేర్, 1 by 2 స్క్వేర్, 1 by 3 స్క్వేర్, 1 by 4 స్క్వేర్, 1 by 5 స్క్వేర్. ఎందుకంటే ఇది స్క్వేర్ రూపంలో ఉంది కాబట్టి. సో 1 by 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 16, 1 by 25 is set A in rooster form. Verify whether the mean of first 7 odd numbers is odd or even. మనము ఫస్ట్ 7 odd numbers ఏంటో చూద్దాము. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Mean అంటే sum of observations by number of observations. We have to add all the observation by number of observation. There are 7 odd numbers, so divide by 7. Adding, we get 49 by 7, which is 7. So in the question asked is whether the given mean is odd number or even number. So clearly 7 is an odd number. Divide the line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeters in 5 equal parts. So first of all, line draw cheyali AB ani 6 centimeters. So 5 equal parts. Take the compass, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 all are equal parts. So last part ni join chesaka parallel line construct cheyali. So x4 p4, x3 p3, x2 p2, x1 p1. So all are equal to each other. This is how we divide a line segment of 6 centimeters in 5 equal parts. If sin b is equal to 7 by 25, find the value of cos b. Sin b is equal to 7 by 25. Sin formula is opposite by hypotenuse. So for theta opposite is 7. So we have to take AC as 7. Hypotenuse is 25. Based on Pythagoras triad, if 7, 25, the other side will be 24. So cos b is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent to theta is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. So value of cos b is 24 by 25. Sixth question, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, AD is equal to x, BD is equal to x minus 3, A is equal to x plus 3, EC is equal to x minus 1. Find the value of x. So given AD is equal to x, BD is equal to x minus 3, A is equal to x plus 3, EC is equal to x minus 1. So D is parallel to BC, so we have to apply basic proportionality theorem, which is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So AD is x, DB is x minus 3, AE is x plus 3, EC is x minus 1. When two fractions are equated, we have to do cross multiplication. X into x minus 1 is equal to x minus 3 into x plus 3. X into x is x square, x into 1 is x. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So x square minus 3 square. So clearly x square on either side will be get cancelled. Minus x is equal to minus 9. Obviously x will become 9. So the value of x is 9. We'll see section 2, first question, which is 7. Prove that root 3 plus root 7 is an irrational number. To prove root 3 plus root 7 is irrational, we have to assume root 3 plus root 7 as rational. So rational number means which is in the form of a by b. So root 3 plus root 7 is a by b. Obviously root 7 is equal to a by b minus root 3. Plus root 3 goes to other side, will become minus root 3. We have to square on both sides. 7 is equal to a square by b square plus 3 minus 2 into ab into root 3. So on doing the calculation, root 3 is equal to a square minus 4b square by b square into b by 2a, which is integers. All these numbers a, b, 2, 4 are integers. Obviously, if they are integers, this will become a rational number. So if right side is rational number, obviously left side will also become rational. So we know that root 3 is not rational. Therefore, this is contradiction to our assumption that root 3 is rational. Therefore, root 3 plus root 7 is irrational number. Eighth question. If A is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, B is equal to 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, then prove that n of A plus n of B is equal to n of A union B plus n of A intersection B. So n of A means the elements which are there in A, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in A there are 5 elements, so number of elements in A is 5. In B there are 6 elements, number of element in B is equal to 6, which we have to write together. అంటే రెండు కలిపి రాసేదాన్ని A union B అంటాం అన్నమాట. So A and B is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and n of A union B, number of elements in A union B is clearly 9. So to find n of A intersection B, first we have to calculate A intersection B, which is common elements in both the sets. 3 is common, 4 is also common in both sets. So A intersection B is 3, 4. Number of elements in A intersection B is 2. So we need to prove n of A plus n of B is equal to n of A union B plus n of A intersection B. So n of A plus n of B is 11, and n of A union B plus n of A intersection B, which is 9 plus 2, is also 11. Clearly left hand side and right hand side are equal. We can say that n of A plus n of B is equal to n of A union B plus n of A intersection B. Hence it is verified. Express sin theta in terms of tan theta and secant theta. So sin theta formula is root over 1 minus cos square theta. It is based on the identity 1. So sin theta is equal to 1 minus 1 by secant square theta. We know the reciprocal of cos is secant. So cos theta is equal to secant theta. Cos square theta will become 1 by secant square theta. Secant square 1 is secant square minus 1 whole divided by secant square. Sin theta we expressed in terms of secant theta. So one of the problem is solved. Now we have to convert sin theta in terms of tan theta. So secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. This is based on the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So when secant square theta will become 1 plus tan square theta. So in the place of secant square theta minus 1, I am replacing with tan square theta based on this identity, and secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So square root cancel, tan theta by root over 1 plus tan square theta. So we have converted sin theta in terms of secant theta and sin theta in terms of tan theta. 10th question. A person observes the top of a pole AB from a point Q at an angle of elevation 30 degrees. After walking to a point P 50 meters towards the pole, he observes the top of the pole again with some angle of elevation. If the distance between P and B is 25 meters, find the height of the pole. So as per the question, this is the diagram. So a person is observing the top of the pole A with making an angle 30 degrees, and he moved from Q to P point with 50 meters, and the distance between P and B is 25 meters. Clearly it is given in the question. These three conditions: 30 degrees, QP is 50 degrees, 50 meters, and PB is 25 meters. We need to find angle P in this question. In triangle AQB, tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent, which is AB by QB, which is 75. AB by 75. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. When two fractions are equated, we have to do cross multiplication. AB into root 3 is equal to 75 ones are 75. So AB is equal to 75 by root 3. So root 3 should not be there in the denominator. We have to rationalize. Root 3 into root 3 is 75 root 3 by 3, which is 25 root 3 meters. So AB, height of the pole is 25 root 3 meters. But our target is not finding the height of the pole. We have to find the theta, angle P here. In triangle APB, tan P is equal to, we have to take opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AB, adjacent is PB. So AB height of the pole, we got it as 25 root 3, and PB is 25. So tan P is equal to 25, 25 cancel root 3. In tan, root 3 will be for 60 degrees. Therefore, angle P is equal to 60 degrees. So we found out angle P, which is 60 degrees. 11th question. The radius and height of a joker cap are 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters respectively. If 1884 centimeters square paper is available, find the number of caps that can be manufactured from the paper sheet. Given radius of the cone is 6 centimeters and height of the cone is 8 centimeters, therefore slant height will become 10 centimeters based on the Pythagoras triad. So number of caps is nothing but area of the sheet required by curved surface area of the cone. Area of the sheet is given as 1884 by curved surface area of cone formula is pi RL. Pi value I am assumed it as 3.14 into 6 into 10 because radius is 6, slant height is 10. So after calculation 1884 by 188.4, which is nothing but 10. So number of caps can be made using the paper sheet of 1884 is 10. There is a rectangular board of dimension 6 feet by 4 feet fixed to a wall. There is a square portion in it with its sides 2 feet. If a ball is thrown on the board, find the probability that it falls on the square region. So we'll take a diagram. There is a rectangle with measurement 6 feet and 4 feet, and there is a square in between the rectangle which is of side 2 feet by 2 feet. So area of rectangle is 24 square feet, area of square is 4 square feet. 6 fours are 24, 2 twos are 4. So probability of event falling ball in the square box is favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So favorable is square, which is 4 feet, and total area of this wall is 24 square feet. 4 by 24 is 1 by 6. We'll see section 3. It's a long answers. We need to attempt 4 questions out of 6. Each question carries 6 marks. Total weightage is 24. 13th question. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 6 centimeters and equal sides are 4 centimeters. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 3/4 times of corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. The construction looks like this. First, we need to draw a triangle with the given measurements. So 3/4 means the triangle will be the inside of the given triangle ABC. First, we need to make 4 equal parts. Draw a ray BX and make into 4 equal parts using compass. Then join fourth part, and we need to draw a line parallel to B4C from B3C dash. We have to draw from only from B3 because in the question it is asked 3 by 4. So third part we have to draw a parallel line from B4C. So again we need to draw another parallel line to AC from C dash to A dash. So this is triangle. The blue colored part is our required triangle A dash B C dash. Draw the graph of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4 and find the zeros. Before drawing the graph in the graph paper, we need to take the points like this. So we have to assume y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4, keeping the value of x as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get y values as 14, 6, 0, minus 4, minus 6, minus 6, minus 4, 0. So these points should be plotted in the graph sheet. So after plotting the points, the graph looks like this. Clearly the graph is meeting the x-axis at minus 1 and 4. So minus 1 and 4 are the zeros of the given polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. We'll see 17th question. The distribution below gives the weight of 50 students in a class. This is the data. Find the median weight of the students. So we need to find the median for this question. So for median, we need to take 3 boxes like this. One is class interval, frequency, less than cumulative frequency. Given frequencies, we have to arrange like this. And in the LCF, we need to keep on adding first observation till last observation. So keeping first observation as it is, 4 plus 7 is 11, 4 plus 7 plus 8 is 19, 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 15 is 34, 34 plus 7 is 41, 41 plus 6 is 47, 47 plus 3 is 50. So whenever median is there, immediately you have to find n by 2 to find the median class. So we will get median class only by finding the value of n by 2. N is 50, 50 by 2 is 25. 25 lies after this LCF. So this class is called median class. So once after finding the median class, we have to take the formula of median, which is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L is lower frequency of the median class, which is 55. Replace L value with 55 plus n by 2 value we got it as 25. CF. So this 19 will become CF, and frequency 15 is the frequency, and H is the length of the class interval, which is 5. 55 to 60 difference is 5, so H will be 5. So 25 minus 19 is 6. 55 plus 6 5s are 30 by 15. 30 by 15 value is nothing but 2. 15 ones are 15 twos are. 52 plus 2 is 57. Our answer should always lies between this median class limit 55 to 60. 57 is clearly lies between 55 to 60. Therefore, median is 57. Solve the following pair of equation by reducing to a pair of linear equation. 14 by 2x plus 3y minus 1 by 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. 7 by 2x plus 3y plus 4 by 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. This is a question from pair of linear equation in two variables. Having the x and y in the denominator, it is really difficult to do the problem. So we have to assume 1 by 2x plus 3y as a, first one, and 1 by 2x minus 3y as b. Every time we have to do the process for this type of question like this. I repeat, 14 into 1 by 2x plus 3y. 1 by 2x plus 3y should be taken as a, and 1 by 2x minus 3y should be considered as b. So this term will become 14a. So many students will write as 14 by a. It is wrong. 1 by 2x plus 3y. 14 into 1 by 2x plus 3y is a. So 14a. 1 by 2x minus 3y is 1b, which is 1. Again, converting these equation in terms of a and b. 7 by 2x plus 3y. 7 means 7 into 1. So 1 by 2x plus 3y I have assumed as a. So 7a. 4 and 1 by 2x minus 3y we have considered as b. So 4b is equal to 5. So once you have converted this given pair of linear equations in terms of a and b, now we have to solve 1 and 2 equation. On solving 1 and 2, we got the value of a and b as 1 by 7 and b as 1. So after here the problem does not end. Solve means we need to find a and b. Here clearly we got solve means x and y. Finding x and y is our target in the question. Convert 1 by 2x plus 3y as a and 1 by 2x minus 3y as b. So a value we got it as 1 by 7 after solving 1 and 2 equation, and b value we got it as 1 by 1, which is 1. So clearly numerator will get cancelled. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. We will take as third equation, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. We will consider it as fourth equation. Now solving 3 and 4. I told whenever such type of questions will be there in the denominator x and y, we need to do the elimination method two times. Already one time we got a and b. Now again solving 3 and 4 will get the value of x and y. So plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled. 2x plus 2x is 4x. 7 plus 1 is 8. So x is equal to 8 by 4, which is 2. Solving x in any one of the equation, we will get y value as 1. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution for the given question. Thank you for watching, students. Why this video is important? Because usually board exam questions will come from practice papers or pre-final papers with changing of the numbers. So don't miss the video. Rangareddy District Mathematics question paper with answers discuss చేద్దాం. First section 1 చూద్దాం. Section 1 లో మనకి 6 questions ఉంటాయి. 2 marks 12. 2 marks each question, 12 marks weightage. So Geeta says that 49 by 450 will have a terminating decimal form. Do you agree with her? Justify your answer without actually performing division. So I will not agree with Geeta because 49 by 450 can be expressed as 49 by 2 into 5 square into 3 square. So how we got this one? By prime factorization method. So clearly denominator is not in the form of 2 power of n, 5 power of m. Therefore 49 by 450 is not a terminating decimal. It is a non-terminating decimal. So I will not agree with Geeta. Give two examples of infinite set. Infinite set ke an example discuss students. X is a whole number. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. X is a multiple of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, so on, which are infinite sets. There will not be any end for that set. We'll see third question. If P of X is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 10, then find the value of P of 2 minus P of minus 2. So before finding this value, students, we have to find the value of P of 2 and P of minus 2, and we have to subtract both the answers. Let's see the answer. So P of X given as 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 10. So P of 2, replace the value of 2. 2 ni x place lo replace chesaka manaki P of 2 value 8 ochindi. అలాగే we have to replace p of minus 2 also, because in the question p of 2 minus p of minus 2 అడిగాడు కాబట్టి p of minus 2 x place లో రిప్లేస్ చేయాలి. సో క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేశాక we will get the answer as minus 52. So p of 2 minus p of minus 52 is 8, minus of minus 52 is 8 plus 52, which is 60. So the value of p of 2 minus p of minus 2 value is 60. Fourth question, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. BC is 3, EF is 4, and area of triangle ABC is 54 centimeters square. Determine the area of triangle DEF. So we have a formula for this, students. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square. ఇది మనకు similar triangles chapter లో ఒక theorem. So ABC area is given as 54, DEF area we don't know, I assumed as x. Side BC is 3, EF is 4. Now we will replace the values in the formula. So area of triangle ABC is 54. So 54 by x, BC is given as 3, EF is given as 4. So 54 by x is equal to 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So we will do cross multiplication. 9 into x is 9x, 54 into 16, which is 864. So x is equal to 864 by 9, which is 96 centimeters square. Therefore, area of triangle DEF is 96 centimeters square. From the top of a building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cell tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression to its foot is 45 degrees. Distance of the building from the tower is 7 centimeters. Height of the tower is 19 meters. Draw the suitable diagram for the given data. So diagram for the given question looks like this, students. Building height is 19 meters, given distance is 7, 45 degrees, 60 degrees. Sixth question, write the formula to find mean of grouped data in step deviation method. Explain each term in it. So step deviation method formula is a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h, where a is mid value of the mean class, fi is sum of all frequency given in the data, h is class size, ui is xi minus a by h. Now we'll see section 2. In section 2, we need to attempt all the questions. 6 questions will be there in section 2. Each question carries 4 marks, total marks 24 for this section. Expand log 1125 by 32. So log 1125 by 32 can be expressed as log 5 cube into 3 square minus log 2 power of 5. So log a by b formula is log a minus log b. So we have to apply the formulas. You have to write the formula, students. So 1125 can be expressed as 5 cube into 3 square and 35 can be expressed as 2 power of 5. We know the formula of log a into b, log a plus log b. Here we will write log 2 power of 5 as it is. So log a power of m is m log a, log 3 power of 2 is 2 log 3, log 2 power of 5 is minus 5 log 2. So we have expanded log 1125 by 32 as 3 log 5 plus 2 log 3 minus 5 log 2. While you are expanding, don't forget to write the formulas at the right side of the page, students. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus 7x plus 5 and verify the relation between the zeros and quotient of terms in the polynomial. So we will use factorization method. So 5 2s are 10. 10 can be expressed as minus 2 minus 5. First two terms take as 2x common, x minus y, and minus 5 take common in the last two terms, we will get x minus 1. In both cases, x minus 1 is there. We will take common as x minus 1 and we'll get as 2x minus 5, which is equated with 0. So x minus 1 is equated with 0, which is x is equal to 1. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5 by 2. Now the main important part is relationship. So whenever the relationship is there, we have to find the sum of zero, students. We got the two zeros as 1 and 5 by 2. Sum means addition. 1 plus 5 by 2, which is 7 by 2, which can also be expressed as minus of minus 7 by 2, which is minus b by a. So we should not use the formula. We have to derive the formula, which is minus quotient of x by quotient of x square. Product of zeros, which is 1 into 5 by 2, which is 5 by 2. 5 is nothing but c and 2 is nothing but a. So c by a. Verify whether the following points are collinear or not. There are two ways, students. We will discuss To prove these points are collinear, we need to prove area of triangle is equal to 0. If we prove this area of triangle is equal to 0, then these points are collinear. So we'll take the 3 points as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and we'll replace this one in the area of triangle formula, which is half into x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. As area of triangle is equal to 0, then these points are collinear. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13, find the other two sides. We don't know the base of the triangle. Let us take the base of the triangle as x. The altitude is 7 less than the base of the triangle. So it will be x minus 7. Altitude means height. So if I take the triangle as ABC, base is x, height will be, altitude will be x minus 7. Hypotenuse is given as 13. So now we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Other two sides are x and x minus 7. So x square, a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 2 sevens are 14x, x square plus x square is 2x, 7 square is 49, 13 square value is 169. Plus 169 comes to the other side of equal to, it will become minus 169, other side will become 0. So 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. Obviously x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Reason is all the terms are divisible by 2. If we divide all the terms with 2, it will become 2x square will become 1x square, 14x will become 7x, 120 will become 60. So we'll do factorization. 60 ones are 60. The factors will be 12 5s are 60. So minus 7 can be expressed as minus 12 plus 5. In the first two terms, we'll take x common and we'll get as x minus 12. And second two terms, we'll take 5 common, which are also will get as x minus 12. In both cases, we have x minus 12 and x plus 5. So x minus 12 is equal to 0. Obviously, x is equal to 12. So altitude of the triangle is 5 and base is 12. If theta is an acute angle and sin theta is equal to cos theta, then show that 4 cot square theta plus 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta minus 1 is equal to 7. So as sin theta is equal to cos theta, obviously theta will become 45 degrees. You have to remember this, students. Whenever sin theta and cos theta are equal, then theta will be 45 degrees. Now we will replace this theta is equal to 45 degrees in the left side of the equal, and we will prove answer as 7. So I am taking LHS. So 4 cot square 45, 6 cos square 45 plus 2 sin square 45 minus 1, and we will prove answer as 7. So cot 45 is 1, so 1 square plus 6 cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square, sin 45 is also 1 by root 2 whole square minus 1. 4 1 square is 1, 6 1 square is 1 and root 2 square is 2, 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2 minus 1. Here 2 get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 threes are. 4 times 1 is 4, 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1, sorry, here 2 get cancelled, only 1 will be there, minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, 4 plus 3 is 7, which is RHS. We have taken LHS and we proved the answer as RHS, which is 7. If two coins are tossed simultaneously, find the probability of getting two heads and at least one tail. So we know the formula for probability of any event, number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So when two coins are tossed, the sample space will be tail tail, head head, tail head, head tail. So P of two heads, here two heads will be only one favorable outcome. So 1 by 4. Total possible outcomes are 4. Favorable outcomes are 1. At least one tail. So here we have one tail, two tails, three tails. So total possible outcome or favorable outcomes are 3. Possible outcomes is 4. So 3 by 4. Answer any 4 of the following given 6 questions. So 6 questions will be given, students. We have to attempt only 4. Options will be given. You can leave any 2. Each question carries 6 marks. A is equal to set x such that x is a perfect square number and x is less than 50. X is a multiple of 4 x belongs to n, 8 is less than x less than 40. So these are the given in set builder form, we need to find in roster form. So perfect squares which are less than 50 is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, and 8 is less than x less than 40 will be taken as 12, 16. These are the multiples of 4. 4, 4 3s are 4, 4s are 4, 5s are 24, 6 are 24, 4 7 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. So question asked is A minus A union B. So A union B we have to find first. A union means the elements which are in A and B collectively you have to write, and A union B we got it as this one. And A minus A union B. So A minus means we have to cancel the all the terms. Elements are cancelled. So in the first set nothing is remained. So answer is 5. A minus A intersection B. So first find out A intersection B. Common elements are 16 and 36 in A and B. And A is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. Cancel the elements which are common in both the sets. Then whatever remaining in the first set, 1, 4, 9, 24, so 25, 49 is the answer. Check whether the given system of equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. So we have to solve them graphically. So to solve them graphically, we need to take the truth table like this. So x and y. So if you take x as 0, y we will get as 2.5 and point with 0 comma 2.5. Take y as 0, we'll get x as 3.3. Take some number x1, we'll get y. So these 3 points make one line and the line name is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Similarly, another equation, linear equation is given. So we have to take x0, replace here, we'll get y as minus 1.6, and replace, take y as 0, we'll get x as 1.5, take the point, x2 and y is 1. Now these 3 points will make another line. So plot these points in the given graph and the graph looks like this. So both the lines are intersecting at this point. The point name is 2 comma x2 y1. So equation is, sorry, the solution is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So the pair of linear equations are consistent because it has solution, and the solution is 2 comma 1. 16th question, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters and construct a pair of tangent from point 8 centimeters away from the center. This is the construction, students. First, we need to draw a circle, draw perpendicular bisect, draw 8 centimeters line, draw perpendicular bisector, then draw a circle with radius OM. The bigger circle meets the smaller circle at A and B. Join AP and BP, which is the given tangents. Find the mode of the given data. So mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here bigger frequency is 16, should be considered as F1. Above F1 is F0, below F1 is F2. Replace these values F1, F0, F2 and L in the given formula. We will get mode as 216.6. Thank you for watching, students. Vikarabad district pre-final mathematics question paper with answers discuss చేద్దాం. మనం సెక్షన్ 1 లోకి వెళ్దాం. సెక్షన్ 1 లో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ లాగ్ 625 బేస్ రూట్ 5. సో లాగ్ 625 బేస్ రూట్ 25 కెన్ బి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్డ్ యాజ్ ఎక్స్. ఇక్కడ మనకు వాల్యూ తెలియదు కాబట్టి ఈ వాల్యూని మనం ఎక్స్ అని రిప్రజెంట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ లాగరిథమ్ ఫార్మ్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ఇన్ exponential form. Exponential form is the logarithm form. So we have to know exponential and form and logarithm form connection, students. So 625 can be expressed as 5 power of 4. So root 5 and 5 to the power of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into x is x by 2 is equal to 5 power of 4. The base is same. So we have to equate the powers. X by 2 is equal to 4. Division goes to that side, will become multiplication. 2 4s are 8. So x value is equal to 8. That means log 625 base root 5 value is 8. A is equal to x such that x is a factor of 12. B is equal to x such that x is a factor of 48. Represent A intersection B in Venn diagram. Factors of 12 is called, students. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Is the factors of 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24. Clearly A intersection B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So which can be seen in the screen. So this is the Venn diagram. Moving on to the next question. The product of two successive positive even numbers is 168. Write the quadratic expression for the data. Let us assume that two consecutive or successive positive even numbers as 2x and 2x plus 2. These are the even numbers. So the product is given as 126. So 2x into 2x plus 2 is equal to 168. 2x into 2x is 4x square. 2x 2 is a 4x plus 168 comes to the other side will become minus 168. Clearly, all these terms are divisible by 4 students. So, x square plus 1x minus 42 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Fourth question, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, AB 12, DE 24 and the ratio of areas of triangles ABC and DEF are. So we have to know the area of similar triangles theorem for this. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF should be equal to AB square by DE square. So this is the theorem, students. So area of triangle ABC, we don't know area of triangle ABC, you have to write as it is. Area of triangle DEF also should be represented as it is. AB is 12, so we have to represent with 12 square. DE is 24, 24 square. 12 square value is 144, 24 square value is 576. So 144 ones are 144 fours are. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is nothing but 1 by 4. Fifth question, if the radius of hemisphere ball is 14 centimeters, then find the volume of the ball. So we have to use the volume of the hemisphere ball here. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So where r is nothing but radius. So radius is given as 14. We have to represent this one in the formula. 2 by 3, pi value we know 22 by 7. 14 into 14 into 14, which is nothing but 5747.7 centimeter cube. Moving on to the last question in this section 1, Kavita said that 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 6x plus 4y is equal to 16. Pair of linear equations are coincident lines. Do you agree with her? Justify your answer. So we know the coincident line condition. It should be equal to a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. All should be, ratios should be equal. Clearly here a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 are equal. Therefore they form collinear, sorry, coincident lines. So I agree with Kavita. So finally this step is important, students. Do you agree with her? Yes, I agree with Kavita. You have to write this step, and just solving and proving does not enough. So మనం ఏం చేయాలి అంటే కోఇన్సిడెంట్ లైన్స్ అండ్ ప్రూవ్ చేసి ఆర్ యు అగ్రీ విత్ కవిత, ఎస్ ఈ స్టెప్ లేనిది మీకు మొత్తం మార్క్స్ రావు స్టూడెంట్స్. సో డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు రైట్ దిస్ స్టెప్. So section 2, first question, write the polynomial whose zeros are. So quadratic polynomial anna, only polynomial anna we have to. So only quadratic polynomial adigina మనము ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలి స్టూడెంట్స్. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్ ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్. సో జీరోస్ ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి సమ్ అంటే ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ రూట్ 7 ప్లస్ రూట్ 7x, ప్రోడక్ట్ అంటే ఆల్ఫా బీటాని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, మైనస్ రూట్ 7 ఇంటూ రూట్ 7. సో మైనస్ రూట్ 7 ప్లస్ రూట్ 7 క్యాన్సల్, 0. Minus root 7 into root 7 is minus 7. So quadratic polynomial is x square minus 7 if the zeros are minus 7, sorry, if the zeros are minus root 7 and root 7. In arithmetic progression, minus 2, 2, 6, 10, so on is 94. A term in it is or not. In the given arithmetic progression, A is first term minus 2, D is A2 minus A1. 2 minus of minus 2 is 4. So we know A, we know D. So if we know this both, we have to use nth term formula. Nth term formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. Clearly in the question, an is given as 94. Nth term formula everywhere, wherever possibility is there, you have to write the formula, students. Marks are also allotted for the formulas. So an last term 94, replace with 94. A first term n minus 1, we have to find n in this problem. D we got it as 4. Replacing the value and calculating, we get n value as 25. Moving on to the eighth question, write the formula for median of a group of data and explain the terms in it. So we know the formula for median, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, where L is lower boundary of median class, n is sum of observations, CF is cumulative frequency of preceding the median class, F is frequency of median class, and H is 10th question, find the length of the tangent from a point 10 centimeters away from the center of the circle of radius 6 centimeters. So radius is given as 6. We need to find length of the tangent with, that is AB. So we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So that is nothing but after calculation AB will become 8 as per Pythagoras triad. 13th question, use Euclid division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 4p or 4p plus 1. So let a be a positive integer. Euclid division lemma formula you have to apply, students. A is equal to bq plus r, and the condition 0 is less than or equal to r less than b. If b value is 4, obviously remainder will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have to take each condition now. First, if r is equal to 0, square on both sides, and we will get a value, a square value as 4p. Now similarly, r is equal to 1, square on both sides, you will get a square is equal to 4q square, 4q plus 1 whole square, and we'll get 4p plus 1. From a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, if face cards are removed and one card is selected at random from remaining cards, find the probability of getting a ace card. Ace means there are 4 ace cards in the deck of cards, students. So probability of getting a ace card will be 4 by 52, which is nothing but 1 by 13. Out of 52 cards, face cards will be 12. So 12 by 52 is the probability of getting a face card. So it is also can be expressed as 4 3s are 4 13s are 3 by 13. Red prime number cards. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. So red cards 2 will be 2 cards. Red cards 3 will be 2 cards. Red card 5 will be 2 cards. Red card 7 will be 2 cards. Total 8 cards out of 52 are red color prime cards. So 4 2s are 4 13s are. So probability of getting a prime number, that is red card, is 2 by 13. The lifespan of 225 electric items are given below. So lifespan electrical items. So find the mode. So we have to find the mode for the given data. So before doing the procedure, you have to find the modal class. Modal class, how to find out is searching the bigger frequency. Once bigger frequency is identified, it has to be expressed as F1, preceding class as F0, succeeding will be F2. So if we know F0, F1, F2 and L is the lower limit of the model class, then we have to apply the formula. Mode formula is L plus Fn minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Replacing these values in the formula will get model class as 65.6. So mode is 65.6. Construct a triangle of side 4, 5, 6 centimeters. Then construct a triangle similar to 3 by 4th of the corresponding sides of the triangle. So this scale factor problem is very important, students. Definite question. So first you have to construct a triangle with the given measurements. Then we have to construct a triangle 3 by 4 of the given triangle. As the denominator is more, that our required triangle lies inside the triangle. So we have to draw a parallel line from the third part. Similarly, parallel line to AC, that is A dash C dash. So these two lines are parallel. Therefore, this triangle A dash B C dash is our required triangle. Rangareddy district pre-final mathematics question paper with answers discuss చేద్దాం. Section 1, first question. Show that 2 comma minus 3 are 0 of the polynomial x square plus x minus 6. So to prove that they are zeros, if you replace the value of 2 in the place of x, 2 ni x place lo replace chesaka answer 0 say it is the 0 of the polynomial. Similarly, if you replace minus 3 in the place of x, our answer is 0. Therefore, 2 and minus 3 are zeros of the given polynomial. Find the value of sine 36 cos 54 plus sine 54 cos 36. So they are the complementary angles. So out of 2, we need to change only 1. So sine 36 can be written as sine 90 minus 54. So 90 minus 54 value 36 కాబట్టి ఈ విధంగా రాసుకోవాలి. Why you have to subtract only 90? Because they are complementary angles. Into cos 54, I have to write as it is. So sine 54, I will change cos 36 as cos 90 minus 54. So clearly sin 90 minus 54 is cos 54 into cos 54 plus sin 54 into sin 54. Reason is complementary angle of cos will become sine. So cos 54 into cos 54 is cos square 54 plus sine 54 into sine 54 is sine square 54. This is the identity 1. So answer is 1. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Obviously sine square 54 plus cos square 54 will become 1. Moving on to the third question, linear equation 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Write another two linear equations such that they form parallel lines. So for parallel lines, this is the condition a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So you have to take a line parallel to this line so that it satisfies the given condition. So you can double it. So 3x double is 6x, 2y double is 4y, but don't double the constant. You can take any number. So another equation which is parallel to 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 9x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So 6x plus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. 9x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0 are the two lines which are parallel to 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Moving on to the fourth question. Electric pole stands vertically on the ground from a point which is 18 meters away from the foot of the pole. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 30 degrees. Draw the suitable diagram for the information. So this is the diagram based on the question. If a is equal to log 1 base 2, log 2 base 2, log 4 base 2, log 8 base 2 and b is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, find a minus b. So this is the connection problem. We call it as connection problem because logarithm and sets are connected here. So log 1 value is 0, log 2 base 2 value is 1 because log a base a value is 1. Log 4 base 2 value is 2. Reason is 4 can be expressed as 2 square. So log 2 base 2 value is 1. So 2 into log 2 base 2 value is 2 only. So similarly log 8 can be expressed as 2 power of 3. This 3 will be going to here. Reason is formula. Log a power of m base a is equal to m log a base a. So applying these logarithm formulas, we will got A set as 0, 1, 2 and 3. B set is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A minus B is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So cancelling the common terms, which are the elements in the first set is nothing but A minus B. So A minus B answer is set 0. Sixth question, A, B belongs to natural numbers, A greater than B, this is very important condition, and mean of A plus B, A minus B, A is 4, find the median. Three observation given in the question, A plus B, A minus B, A, and mean is given as 4. We know the formula of mean which is sum of observation by number of observation. So I am adding all the observation A plus B plus A minus B plus A divided by 3 total observation. So 3 get cancelled, A value is 4. So we don't require A here in the question. Question asked is for median. So median is equal to, first we have to arrange in ascending order. So whatever the middle number is there, that is the median. So A is the median which got it as 4. So median is 4. Seventh one, if x square plus y square is equal to 21xy, then show that 2 log x minus y is equal to log x plus log y plus log 90. Take LHS, x square plus y square is equal to 21xy. Subtract 2xy on both sides. Why we have to subtract? In the proof, it is asked log x minus y, 2 log x minus y. So we have to subtract. If log question contains log x plus y, you have to add plus 2xy on both sides. In this case, we have to subtract 2xy on both sides. So this is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus b whole square, that is x minus y whole square, which is 19xy. So now we have to add logarithm on both sides. So log x minus y whole square is equal to log 19xy. So we know a log a power of m formula m log a, that is m log, so 2 log x minus y is equal to log 19 plus log x plus log y. Log a b c formula is log a plus log b plus log c. Similarly, log 19xy can be expressed as log 19 plus log x plus log y. This is what we have to prove in the problem. Eighth question, if 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 4x plus ay is equal to 8 are coincident lines, then find the value of a. So this is the condition of coincident line. So the two equations are 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, 4x plus ay is equal to 8. When minus 4 goes to the other side, it will become plus 4. Now we will take the ratio of a1 by a2, which is 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is 3 by 8, c1 by c2 is 1 by 2. You can equate a1 by a2 with b1 by b2, or b1 by b2 with c1 by c2, we'll get the same answer. So a1 by a2 is 1 by 2, c1 by b1 by b2 is 3 by a. If we do cross multiplication, a value will become 6. Sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression given by the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. There is another formula also. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l if first term and last term are given. So terms are, n is number of terms, a is equal to first term, d is common difference, which is a2 minus a. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees, CD is median, then show that BC square is equal to AC square minus 4AD square. So whenever such type of diagrammatic problem is given, you have to take these steps students. Given, what is given in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees and CD is median. Whatever condition is there, you have to take the step. Required to prove, or to prove, we have to prove BC square is equal to AC square minus 4AD square. And diagram you have to take in the answer sheet, then actual proof come. So writing this diagram, drawing this diagram and these two steps indicate some marks. In triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, so you have to use Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, it is obviously AC square will become AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to AB, I will express as AD plus DB whole square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to, I will write AD plus DB as AD plus AD only. Reason is both are equal. D is median. So plus BC square. So left hand side AC square is equal to AD plus AD is 2AD whole square plus BC square. We know the value of 2AD whole square will be, which become 4AD square plus BC square. So we will take this BC to the left hand side. BC square is equal to AC square minus 4AD square. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tree is 45 degrees, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the foot of the building is 60. The perpendicular distance from the foot of the tree and foot of the building is 100 meters. Then find the distance between the tree and building is 100 meters, which is given. So we need to find height of the building and height of the tree in the question. So tan 45 in this triangle ABC, tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is AB, adjacent is 100, therefore height of the building will become 100 meters. So remember one trick students, in 45 degrees tan, whatever the adjacent side will be there, height will be also similar, only for 45 degrees. So height of the building we got it as 100. Now in triangle, another triangle BDC. So in triangle BDC, tan 60 is equal to opposite side by, which is DC, by adjacent side 100. Tan 60 value is root 3, which is DC by 100. So DC is equal to 100 into root 3. Therefore, height of the tree is 100 root 3 meters and height of the building is 100 meters. 12th question, if the dice is rolled at a time, then find the probability of getting sum of two digits is prime number. It seems this question is wrong students. If two dice are rolled at a time, because at a time condition is there, means it will be 2. Sum of the numbers is prime number. Total number of possible outcome if two dice are thrown is 36. So prime numbers can be 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So to get this number, the possibilities are 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 for 2. Possibilities for 3 comma 3 is 1 2 2 1. And possibilities for 5 is 1 4 4 1, 3 2 2 3. So possibilities for 7 will be 3 4 4 3, 6 1 1 6, 2 5 5 2. And possibilities of getting some 11, which is prime numbers, will be 5 6 and 6 5. So we'll see how many possibilities favorable outcomes are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So number of favorable outcomes is 15. Total possible outcomes are 36. So probability of getting a sum prime number is 15 by 36. We'll see section 3. In section 3 we have choice. 6 question will be given. We have to attempt only 6. Total weightage is 24. A metallic cylinder of height 4 centimeters and radius is 3 centimeters is melted and recast into sphere. Then find the diameter of the sphere. So given height of the cylinder is 4 centimeters, radius is 3 centimeters. Whenever the recasted melted word is given, we have to use this formula, students. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. You know the volume of cylinder formula pi r square h. Volume of sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. As pi is constant, we will cancel on either side. Radius of cylinder is 3 centimeters. So 3 into 3. Height of cylinder is given as 4. 3 into 3 into 4 is equal to 4 by 3 into r cube. Doing calculation, we will get r value as 3. So if r is equal to 3, diameter will be twice the radius, which is 6 centimeters. So answer for this question is 6 centimeters. Moving to 14th question, show that the points minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, minus 4 taken in order are the vertices of a rectangle. So A, B, C, D is given. So first we will find the distance between A, B. So we need to use the distance formula 6 times, first all the sides, then diagonals. If opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal, then this form the vertices of a rectangle. Let's see what opposite sides are equal or not. AB distance is 7. Root 49 value is 7. The distance between A and B is 7. And the distance between B and C is root 74. We'll see CD, distance between CD is again 7, which is root 49, and distance between DA is root 74. Now mid we'll see the diagonal. AC diagonal is root 25, which is 5, and BD diagonal is root 25 5. So clearly opposite sides are equal, 7 7 root 74 root 74, and diagonal value is 5 and 5. Clearly opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal, therefore these are the given vertices of a rectangle. Moving on to the 15th question, if A is equal to AE IOU, B is equal to AC HIMST, then find the value of n of A union B, n of A intersection C, and n of B minus C. To find n of A union B, we need to find A union B first. A union B అంటే ఏలో ఉన్నాయి బిలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ కలిపి రాయాలి, బట్ డోంట్ మేక్ షూర్ దట్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ డోంట్ రిపీట్. సో హియర్ హౌ మెనీ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So number of elements in A union B is equal to 10. N of A union B అంటే number of elements in A union B అన్నమాట. So which is 10. So a number of elements in A intersection B is also asked in the question. So to find number of elements in A intersection B, first we have to find A intersection B. So common elements in both the sets are A and I. So A and I are the set for A intersection B, and number of elements in A intersection B is 2. Is B minus A. To find number of elements in B minus A, first we need to find B minus A. So cancelling the like terms in both the sets, and remaining elements in the first set is nothing but A minus B, which is CHMST. There are 5 elements in B minus A, therefore n of B minus A is equal to 5. The height of a triangle is 4 centimeters less than its base. If the area of a triangle is 96 centimeters square, then find the base and height. So this is the right angle triangle ABC, and we don't know the base. Let's take base as x. The height of the triangle is 4 centimeters less, so it will be x minus 4, and area is given as 96. We know the area of triangle formula, with half into base into height. So 96 is equal to half into base x, and height is x minus 4. When division goes to the other side, it will become multiplication. 96 into 2 is 192, which is equal to x into x minus 4. So 192 is equal to x square minus 4x, quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation, and we need to find the roots using factorization method. So the factors of, you need to split the middle term. The factors of 192 are 16 and 12. So 16 minus 12 is 4. 16 into 12 is 192. So we'll split the quadratic equation as x square minus 16x plus 12x minus 192 is equal to 0. So taking x common in first two term and 12 in the next two term, you will get the answer as x is equal to 16. X cannot be negative minus 12, so base is 16 and height will be 12. So base of the triangle is 16, height of the triangle is 16 minus 4 is. మనము హైదరాబాద్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ప్రీ ఫైనల్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ విత్ ఆన్సర్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. సెక్షన్ 1 లో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ a is equal to 1 2 4 5 7, b is equal to 2 4 5 6 7 8. Draw the Venn diagram for a union b and a intersection b. To draw the Venn diagram for a union b and a intersection b, we have to find a union b first. A union b and the elements which are there in both a and b together we have to write, but make sure the elements should not be repeated. A intersection B and the common elements. 2 is common element for both A and B. 4, 5, 7. So these are the common elements in A and B. So we have to write A intersection B as 2, 4, 5, 7. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 3, 6, 8, 2, 4, 5, 7 is A intersection B. We'll discuss second question now. Check whether 2 by 3 and minus 5 are the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 3x square plus 13x minus 10. To check whether they are zeros of polynomial or not, we need to replace 2 by 3 and minus 5 in the p of x. If the answer is 0, then this value will become 0 of the polynomial, otherwise it is not. So replacing 2 by 3, our answer we got it as 0. So we got the answer as 0, therefore 2 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. So we have replaced minus 5 in the place of x and answer is 0. So both 2 by 3 and minus 5 after replacing our answers are 0. Therefore minus 5 and 2 by 3 are zeros of the given polynomial. Third question, if a dice is thrown once, what is the probability of not getting a multiple? 3 multiple. If a dice is thrown once, the probability of getting not 3 is 1, 2, 4, 5. So there are 4 favorable outcomes and 6 total possible outcomes. So 4 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 3. Moving on to question 4, a man standing at the top of a building observes a point at an angle of depression of 30 degrees which is 10 meters away from the foot of the building. Draw suitable diagram for the given question. Depression means which is looking down. So 30 degrees will be here. The same 30 degrees will also be written on the ground 10 meters away from the foot of the building. Show that 1 by sine theta minus Show that 1 by sine theta minus sine theta is equal to cos theta minus cot theta. We will take LHS and we will prove answer as RHS. So LHS 1 by sine theta minus sine theta is 1 minus sine square theta by sine theta. 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but cos square theta based on the identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta can be written as 2 times cos theta by sine theta. Cos theta by sine theta is cot theta and cos theta we will write as it is. So sixth question, sum of squares of two consecutive positive integers is 181. Write the suitable quadratic equation for the given data. So two consecutive numbers will be x and x plus 1. So 2 and 3 are consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers అంటే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఒకటి తర్వాత ఒకటి వచ్చేది అంటే ఇమీడియట్లీ నెక్స్ట్ నంబర్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటీజర్. x మనం ఫస్ట్ నంబర్ అనుకుంటే consecutive number will be next number x plus 1. Sum of squares, sum అంటే plus squares అంటే x square plus second number x plus 1 is 181. So x square plus x plus 1 whole square formula ఏంటి అంటే x square a square plus b square plus 2ab which can be expressed as x square plus 1 square plus 2x. X square plus x square is 2x square, they are like terms. 1 square 2x అట్లాగే రాద్దాము. 1 square is 1 plus 181 ఇక్కడ సైడ్ వస్తే minus 181. Plus 181 minus 181 is minus 180 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. You can also divide with 2 students because all the terms in the quadratic equation can be divisible by 2. It can also can be written as x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. Section 2 lo first question, seventh question, write the formula to find the median of group data and x. So formula is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H, where L is lower boundary of median class, n number of observation or total number of frequency, Cf is cumulative frequency of preceding the use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer number is of the form 5q, 5q plus 1, 5q plus 4. సో 5q కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 5 అనేది డివైజర్, రిమైండర్ విల్ బి ఆల్వేస్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 1 2 3 4 విచ్ విల్ బి లెస్ దెన్ డివైజర్. సో ఈ 4 కండిషన్స్ మనం 5 కండిషన్ మనం తీసుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ 0. Draw the graph of quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 and find the zeros of the given graph. So first to draw the parabola x square plus 2x minus 8, we need to take the points like this, students. Replace x value as minus 4, we'll get y as 0, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2, minus 8, minus 1, minus 9, 0, minus 8, 1, 3, 2, 0, 3, 4, 3, 7, 4, 16. We need to plot these points in the given graph. If we if you plot the graph in the given graph, the graph look like this, and the graph is meeting the x-axis at 2 and minus 4. So 2 and minus 4 are the zeros of the given polynomial. 10th question, find the trisectional points of the line segment joining minus 2 4 and 4 minus 2. This is one of the important expected question. Trisection means dividing the line segment into 3 equal parts. Tri means 3. So I am dividing the line segment AB in 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. So finding the P and Q is nothing but trisection point. So our target is to find point P and Q. P is dividing in the ratio 1 and 2. So first case will be 1 is to 2, and Q is dividing the line segment in the ratio 2 is to 1. In the other case, we will find the other point Q in the ratio 2 is to 1. To find the trisection, we use the section formula, students. M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2, M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. The given points we will take as x1, y1, x2, y2 and replace in the formula. In case 1, 1 is to 2, P is 1 is to 2. So P of x comma y is equal to M. Replacing M1, M2 and x1, y1, x2, y2 in the formula, section formula, we will get the P point as 0 comma 2. Q point, the Q point will be 2 is to 1. As I told, Q is dividing the line segment in the 2 is to 1. So 2 will become M1 and 1 will become M2. And the points x1, y1, x2, y2 remain same, and we will get Q point as 2 comma 0. 12th question, two cubes each of volume 125 centimeter cube are joining end to end together. Find the total surface area of the resultant cuboid. Students, here this is cube and volume is given as 125 cube. So they are joined side by side. So when these two cubes are joined side by side, as two cubes joined side by side and given volume as 125, so volume of cube is given by the formula a cube is 125. Obviously, a will be cube root of 125, which is 5. So each side of the cube is 5 centimeters. So length will become 10, height will become 5, and breadth will also become 5 centimeters. We will use the total surface area of a cuboid formula, which is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Finding you applying LBH in the formula, we will get volume total surface area of cuboid as 250 centimeters square. Telangana class 10 mathematics model paper solutions. This question paper was recently released by Government of Telangana. Let us discuss solution. In section 1, we have 6 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Total weightage is 12 marks. First question, if A is equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is less than 5, B is x such that x belongs to n, 2 is less than x less than 7, then draw Venn diagram for A union B. So we have to draw a Venn diagram for A union B. So this is a set builder form. We have to convert into rooster form. X less than 5 means A is a set with 1, 2, 3, 4. B is a set builder form given as 2 is less than x less than 7. So B will be 3, 4, 5, 6. X lies between 2 and 7. That is 3, 4, 5, 6. So A union B will become the union of both sets. I mean together of both sets, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the Venn diagram for the given question, students. Second question, check whether the given pair of equation x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 is intersecting or parallel lines. To check whether the given linear equations is intersecting or parallel, we need to do the comparison with their ratio, students. A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Always, whatever the type of lines, this is a common procedure. A1 by A2, A1 is a quotient of x for first equation and A2 is the quotient of x for second equation. So there is no number here, we will assume as 1 and A2 will become 2. So B1 by B2 are the quotient of y for first equation and second equation. So it will be 2 by 4 and C1 by C2 will become the constant to equation. So minus 4 by minus 12. We'll convert this one into the least form. So 2 by 4 is also equal to 1 by 2. Negative negative cancel. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So clearly A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Both are equal to 1 by 2. But that is not equal to C1 by C2. So this is the condition for parallel line. So the given pair of linear equations are parallel line. Moving on to the third question, give one example each for an arithmetic progression and a geometric progression. We know that arithmetic progression, the difference should be equal, and for geometrical progression, the ratio should be equal. So we can take any example, for example, 3, 6, 9, 12, so on is an example for arithmetic progression. And for a geometric progression, it will be 2, 4, 8, 16, so on. This is an example of geometrical progression. Here the difference between any two numbers is same. 6 minus 3 is 3, 9 minus 6 is 3, 12 minus 9 is 3. So we have common difference. Here we have common ratio. 4 divided by 2 is same as 8 divided by 4 is same as 16 divided by 8. We have common ratio here as 2. So it is a geometrical progression. Find the probability of getting a vowel if a letter is chosen randomly from English alphabet. We know there are 5 vowels in English alphabet. There are A, E, I, O, U. So total number of alphabets in English alphabets are 26 and vowels are 5. So number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So probability of getting a vowel in English alphabets are 5 by 26. Fifth question, find the volume of hemispherical ball whose radius is 2.8 centimeters. We know the volume of hemisphere, which is 2 by 3 pi r cube, where r means radius is 2.8 centimeters. So we apply radius in the given formula, 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2.8 into 2.8 into 2.8. I'm multiplying radius 3 times, as in the formula we have r cube. So after calculation, we will get the answer as 16.5 centimeter cube. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. AD is to DB. AD is to DB is given as 2 by 3 and AE is given as 3x plus 1. EC is given as 5x. Find the value of x. So in this problem, we have to find the value of x. So to find x, we have to use basic proportionality theorem. If a line drawn parallel to one side divides the other two sides in the same ratio, so AD by DB will be equal to AE by EC. So AD, we know that AD by DB is 2 by 3, AE by EC is 3x plus 1 by 5x. If two ratios are equated, we have to do cross multiplication. 2 into 5x is equal to 3 into 3x plus 1, which is same as 10x is equal to 3 3s are 9x plus 3 1s are 3. So we will move this 9x to other side, will become minus 9x, which is 3. So 10x minus 9x is 1x, which is 3. So the value of x is 3. Seventh question, if log 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta plus log 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta is equal to log k, find the value of k. So this is a question connection with logarithm and trigonometry. So here we have to know the one formula, log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. We have to apply this formula in the given question. So log a, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta, we will assume it as a, and 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta we will assume at b, students. So log a plus log b is log a into b. So we can write this given expression as log 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cos theta, cot theta minus cosecant theta. and write log k as it is in the right hand side. So we'll multiply trinomial with trinomial, simple multiplication and cancelling the like terms, minus cosecant theta plus cosecant theta, secant theta minus secant theta, and remaining terms we have to apply cot theta as cos theta by sin theta, tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, and secant theta as 1 by cos theta, cosecant as 1 by sin theta. Taking LCM, we will get k value as. Eighth question, write the formula for mode of a group data and explain each term of it. So mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower limit of modal class, H is the size of the class, F1 is the frequency of the modal class, F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class, and F2 will be the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. Ninth question, prove that 2 plus 3 root 5 is an irrational number. To prove it is an irrational number, first we have to assume it is a rational number, students. So rational number is P by Q. Sending plus 2 to other side will become minus 2. So P minus 2Q by 3Q. Multiplication also I am sending. So here P, Q and 3 are integers. Therefore P minus 2Q by 3Q will become a rational number. If right hand side is a rational number, obviously left hand side should also be a rational number. But we all know that root 5 is a irrational number. This is why it contradicts to the fact that root 5 is irrational. So we conclude that 2 plus 3 root 5 is an irrational number. And the question, prove that x square plus 2x plus 1 divides x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube minus 4x square plus 2x plus 3 exactly. So to prove it divides exactly, we have to use the division method. So first by first we will get the remainder as 0 and the quotient as x square minus 4x plus 3. As remainder is 0, x square plus 2x plus 1 divides this one exactly. Seventh question, in a circle of radius 3.5 centimeters, a chord subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding major segment. So here AB is a chord and the upper part, this part is called major segment and the shaded part is minor segment. So area of minor segment is equal to area of quadrant. So we all know that this is the quadrant which is one fourth of a circle minus area of triangle. So if we subtract area of quadrant minus area of triangle, we'll get the area of minor segment or a shaded region. So area of minor segment is area of quadrant which is given as 1 by 4 pi r square, and area of triangle which is nothing but half into base into height. Base here is OA and height is OB. So we will apply pi value here 1 by 4, pi value is 3.14, radius is given as 3.5 from the given question. 3.5 into 3.5 minus half into base is 3.5, height is also 3.5. So after calculation we'll get the minor segment as 3.5 centimeter square. So we require major segment. So area of major segment is area of circle minus area of minor segment. So pi r square is the area of circle formula. Minor segment value is given as, we got it as 3.5. Area of major segment as 35 centimeters square. 12th question, find the area of triangle whose vertices are 5, 2, 3 minus 5, minus 3, minus 4. So given three vertices are 5, 2, we assume 5, 2 as x1 y1, 3 minus 5 as x2 y2, minus 3 minus 4 as x3 y3, and we'll replace in the area of triangle formula. Area of triangle formula we all know, half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Replacing x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 in the formula, we'll get the area of triangle as 22 square units. Moving on to section 3. In section 3, we have 6 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. Total weightage is 30 marks. It is a long answer section, students. Internal choice will be given in this section. So let us see what questions appeared in this section. 13. Find the mean of the following data. Class interval and frequency is given. To find mean, we have to use 5 boxes: class interval, frequency, mid value, UI, Fi, UI. So mean formula is A plus sigma FIUI by sigma Fi into H. Sigma FIUI value we got it as 40. A value is 95 mid value. Sigma Fi is 100. Replacing in the given formula, we will get mean answer as 99. Option, the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the foot of the building is 60. If the tower height is 100 centimeters, find the height of the building. So this is the diagram for the given question, students. Just go through the procedure. Prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Go through the procedure, students. We have taken LHS and we have proved the answer as RHS, hence proved. 15th question. Cards marked with numbers 2 to 101 are placed in a box. They are mixed thoroughly and one card is selected randomly from the box. Find the probability that the number on the selected card is an even number. So probability of getting an even number is, we know the formula of probability, number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So there are 50 even numbers out of 100 cards. So the P of even numbers will be off 1 by 2. Second bit is P of, probability of getting a number less than 14. So less than 14, we have 12 cards, that is 12 by 100, which is nothing but 3 by 25. P of, which is a perfect square. The perfect squares from 2 to 101, we have 9, so which is nothing but 9 by 100. And P of prime numbers less than 20 is 8 by 100. 17th question is a question from polynomials, that is graph. Draw the graph x square minus x minus 6 and find the zeros. To find the graph, first we have to assume the given polynomial as y, which is nothing but x square minus x minus 6. We have to replace the value of x with minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. We'll get the values of y and we get the points. Now these points should be plotted in the graph as shown in the right side of the screen. So this parabola meets the x-axis at minus 2 and 3. So minus 2 and 3 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Solve the equations graphically. So to solve the equation graphically, points for first equation and 2 points for second equation. Plotting on the graph, it looks like this and the solution is 2, 1. So the both the lines, both the equations meet at 2 comma 1. So the solution is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. If we replace this x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in the given equation, it has to satisfy the RHS. Let us see. 3x, x value is 2, 4y, y value is 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 4, which is nothing but 10 RHS. We will also check whether it is true for the second equation. 4x, x value is 2, minus 3y, y value is 1. 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 3 is 5, which is nothing but RHS. So 2 comma 1 is the solution for the given linear equation. విత్ ఆన్సర్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాము. పార్ట్ ఏలో సెక్షన్ 1లో మనం ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఫైండ్ ద సెంట్రాయిడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి హూజ్ వర్టిసెస్ ఆర్ -2 4 5 6 3 2. మనందరికి తెలిసిందే సెంట్రాయిడ్ ఫార్ములా x1 ప్లస్ x2 ప్లస్ x3/3 y1 ప్లస్ y2 ప్లస్ y3/3. సో ఈ ఇచ్చిన పాయింట్స్ని x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 అని పెట్టుకొని ఫార్ములాలో రిప్లేస్ చేశాక వాల్యూస్ వి విల్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్ యాజ్ 2, 4. We'll see the second question. Find the mean of the data 2, 3, 7, 8, 11, 6, 5. So mean of any, this is ungrouped data. Mean కనుక్కోవాలంటే sum of observation by number of observation కనుక్కోవాలి. Sum అంటే addition. So ఇచ్చిన observations ని యాడ్ చేయాలి. 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 11 plus 6 plus 5 divided by 7 number. అంటే number of observation ఎన్ని values ఉన్నాయి? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So అందుకని మనం we have dividing with 7. So if you add all these numbers, we will get as 42. 42 by 7 is 6. If 3 notebooks and 5 pens together cost rupees 140, whereas 4 notebooks and 6 pens together cost rupees 180, then write the suitable pair of linear equations in two variables for this data. సో మనం ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ ద్వారా మనము లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో లెట్ ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్ నోట్బుక్స్ బి ఎక్స్ అండ్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ పెన్స్ బి వై. సో యాజ్ పర్ ద క్వశ్చన్ 3 నోట్బుక్స్ అంటే 3x, 5 పెన్స్ అంటే 5y, కాస్ట్ ఈస్ 140. సో ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 140. సో సెకండ్ కండిషన్ 4 నోట్బుక్స్, మనం నోట్బుక్స్ ఎక్స్ అనుకున్నాము అండ్ పెన్స్ 6 ఉన్నాయి వై అనుకున్నాము, ఈజ్ 180 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 180. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద linear equation, pair of linear equation for the given condition. Moving on to fourth question, find the two natural numbers whose sum is 35 and product is 216. So we don't know the numbers. Let the first number be x and second number will be 35 minus x. Don't take as y because this is a quadratic equation. We will have only one variable. So according to the problem, product of these two numbers, we have taken first number as x and second number as 35 minus x. Product and multiplication is 216. సో మనం ఒకసారి క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చినాక మనం ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ చేస్తే మనకు x వాల్యూ 8 వస్తుంది, 27 వస్తుంది. So two natural numbers are 8 and 27. A toy is in the form of right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end and a cone at other end with the same base radius. Draw the rough diagram of the toy. So rough diagram of the toy will looks like this. Moving on to the sixth question. In triangle ABCD and E are midpoints of AB and AC, and AD is given 4, DB is 6, AE is 6, EC is 9. Show that DE is parallel to BC. So ఈ లైన్ DE parallel to BC చేయాలంటే బేసిక్ ప్రపోర్షనాలిటీ థీరం సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలంటే AD by DB should be equal to AE by EC. ఇది ప్రూవ్ చేస్తే then lines are parallel. Let's see the answer. So given AD is 4, DB is 6, AE is 6, EC is 9. So basic proportionality ఏం చెప్తుందంటే AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. 4 by 6 is equal to 6 by 9. Cross multiply చేస్తే 4 9s are 36 and 6 6s are 36. So మనకి ఈక్వల్ వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి the line DE is parallel to BC. We'll move on to the second section. In second section, students, we have 6 questions. Each question carries 4 marks, total 24. No internal choice or no choice in this question. You have to attempt all the questions. Write the formula to find median of the group data. Group data formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Show that 3, 4, 2, 2 and minus 1, minus 4 are collinear. సో మనం ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేశాక ఆన్సర్ 0 వస్తే అది కొలీనియర్, అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్. సో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ హాఫ్ ఇంటూ x1 y2 మైనస్ y3 ప్లస్ x2 y3 మైనస్ y1 ప్లస్ x3 y1 మైనస్ y2 ఈజ్ షుడ్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు 0. మనకి 0 వస్తే దిస్ 3 పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ కొలీనియర్. సో మనకి క్లియర్గా ఇక్కడ 18 మైనస్ 18 0 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి దిస్ ఆర్ ద పాయింట్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ విచ్ ఆర్ కొలీనియర్. Find the value of k if quadratic equation 4x square plus k plus 3 into x plus k is equal to 0 as equal roots. If roots are equal, we know that b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. This is very important condition, students. If roots are equal, then b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. X square quotient we always represent as a. X quotient is b, which is k plus 3, and constant is should be represented with k. So applying in b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we will get a quadratic equation. Factorizing, we will get k is equal to 1 and k is equal to 9. A girl observed the top of building at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees when the observation of point is 9 meters away from the foot of the building. Find the height of the building. By adjacent, which is tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 AB by 9. AB is equal to 3 root 3 meters. So height of the building is 3 root 3 meters. So AO by CO is equal to DO by BO. Now we will see section 3. In section 3, we have to attempt 4 questions. Each question carries 6 marks, total weightage 24. Straight lines in the graph, we have to get the points like this, students, for 2 equations. Once you get the points, you have to plot on the graph, and these 2 lines will meet at one point. The point is 2 comma 1. So x is 2 and y is 1 is the solution for the pair of linear equations. Construct a triangle of sides 5, 7, 8 centimeters and construct a triangle similar to his whose size is 5 by 4 of sorry, 5 by 4 of given triangle. So the triangle looks like this. Have a glance, students. So this is our required triangle. Show that these are the points taken in order is a form of a is a vertices of a rectangle. To prove this is the vertices of a triangle, students, we have to use the distance formula for AB, BC, CD, and DE. So if you take AB, you got 6 units, BC 4 units, CD again 6, and AD 4 units. So clearly here opposite sides are equal, and we have to check whether the diagonals are also equal. The diagonal AC is root 52 and diagonal BD is also root 52. So diagonals equal, opposite sides are equal, then these are the vertices of a rectangle. 16th question, 1.5 meters tall man is looking at the top of a tower which is 40 meters in height from a point at certain distance. The angle of elevation from his height to the top of the tower increases from 30 to 45 as he walks towards the tower. Find the distance walked towards the tower. So BD is 38.5. So x value will be 38.5 into root 3 minus 1 meters. The following table shows the expenditure of food. So we have to find the mean. So we will use step deviation method as the values are bigger. So we will take mid value xi, ui, fi, ui. So fi, ui is nothing but 40. Fi is summation of fi is 100. So we'll use the mean formula of step deviation method, which is a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. A means 750, sigma fi ui is 40, sigma fi is 100 into h. Class width is 100, 700 to 800 is 100. So 750 here, 100 get cancelled. 750 plus 40 is 790. So 18th question, last question of this question paper. A solid lead sphere of radius 115 centimeters is melted and recasted into number of smaller cones with base 3 centimeters and height 5 centimeters. Find the number of cones so formed. So to use the number of cones, always you have to use volume formula, students. So volume of bigger object here is sphere, volume of cone, which is nothing but 300. After calculations, we will get as. హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో మనం రంగారెడ్డి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్స్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ పేపర్ 1 గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. మనకి మ్యాథ్స్లో 3 సెక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. పార్ట్ ఏలో ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్లో 6 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి, 2 మార్క్స్ ఈచ్, 12 మార్క్స్ వెయిటేజ్. సో ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్లో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ నంబర్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ రెసిప్రోకల్ ఇస్ 10/3. Then write the quadratic equation to find the number. So sum of a number, we don't know the number, let we take the number as x, and its reciprocal of x is 1 by x. Why I am writing plus here is simple, students, because they have given sum of number and reciprocal, and the product is or the result is 10/3. So we have to express this one in terms of quadratic equation. So x into x is x square plus 1 whole by x is equal to 10/3. When two fractions are equated, we have to do cross multiplication. So 3 should be multiplied with x square plus 1 and 10 should be multiplied with x. 3 into x square is 3x square, 3 ones are 3, which is 10x. So this is the quadratic equation. Draw the Venn diagram of the sets A union B and A intersection B. The only the intersection part. For example, if we take this blue color dotted lines, this part is called A intersection B. It's a common area for both A set and B set. So we have to represent with A intersection B. So the common elements, which is orange color, is nothing but A union B. If the radius of a hemisphere is 21 centimeters, then find the volume. Given radius of hemisphere is given as 21 centimeters and volume of hemisphere is given by the formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. So pi value is 22 by 7, radius is 21 centimeters. So we have to write 3 times because r cube. 7 ones are 7, 3s are 21, 3 3 get cancelled. The value of 2 into 22 into 21 into 21 is. Fourth question, Krishna says the probability of event is 13/7. Do you agree with him? Give reasons. No, I will not agree with Krishna because 13 by 7 value is greater than 1. Probability will always lies between 0 to 1, including 0 and 1. So probability of event can be 0, which is impossible event. It can also be 1, definite event or certain event, and it also can lies between 0 and 1, but definitely not greater than 1. So 13 by 7 is obviously greater than 1, and it is not a probability of an event. Fifth question, find the 13th term from the end of AP 83, 80, 77, 74, so on to 11. We have to arrange these numbers in a reverse way. So 11, 14, 74, 77, 80, so on till 83. So after arranging the numbers arithmetic progression in a reverse manner, because they are asked to find from end. So we have to use the nth term formula, which is a plus n minus 1 into d. 13th term is given by the formula a plus 12d. A here is 11, d here is clearly 3. So 11 plus 12, 3 is a 36, 36 plus 11 is 47. So 13th term of this arithmetic progression from reverse or end is 47. Sixth question, find the polynomial whose zeros are log 16 base 2 and log 27 base 3. So to find the quadratic polynomial, we have to use the formula x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. We don't know the two zeros, we have to find based on the given condition. So the two conditions are, based on the two conditions, we will find two zeros. So first condition is log 16 base 12 and second condition is log 27 base 3. So log 16 can be expressed as 2 power of 4. 2 power of 4 value is nothing but 16. So I'm writing 16 as 2 power of 4. And log 27 can be expressed as 3 cube base 3. So we know the formula of log a power of m log a. So this will become 4 log 2 base 2, and it will also become 3 log 3 base 3. So 4 times 1 is 4, because log a base a, logarithm function and base functions are same, the value will become 1. 4 ones are 4. And here also log function and base function, log 3 base 3 is 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. We have to apply these two zeros in the given quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x square minus sum of zeros. So two sums are, one is 4, other is 3. Product of two zeros, one zero is 3, another 0 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 times x is 7x. 4 3s are 12. So x square minus 7x plus 12 is nothing but the quadratic polynomial for two zeros. Moving on to section 2. In section 2, we have 6 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Total weightage 24. ఈ సెక్షన్లో మనకి ఎలాంటి ఆప్షన్ ఉండదు స్టూడెంట్స్. వీ హ్యావ్ టు అటెంప్ట్ ఆల్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్. ఫైండ్ ద టూ నంబర్స్ హూజ్ రేషియో ఈస్ 2:3 and product is 216. Don't know the two numbers, let the two numbers be 2x and another number is 3x. So why I am taking 2x and 3x? Because ratio is given as 2:3. So 2:3 కాబట్టి 2x and 3x. And another condition given as product of these two numbers is 216. Mathematics lo product ante multiplication. So we will multiply these two numbers 2x and 3x, which is 216. 2 3s are 6, x into x is x square, which is 216. X square is equal to 216 by 6, 36. So x will be obviously root over 36, which is plus or minus 6. So we will apply this x value in the two numbers. First number we have taken as 2x, second number we have taken as 3x. So 2 into 6 is 12 and 3 into 6 is 18. So the two numbers are 12 and 18. Eighth question, write the formula to find the mode of grouped data and explain each term in it. So formula to find mode is L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. We'll discuss section 3 now. In section 3 we have 6 questions and we have to write only 4 questions. Each question carries 6 marks. Total is 24 marks. So we have choice out of 6. We can attempt any 4 students. First question in long answer section 3 is draw a graph of the given polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 and find its zeros. So this is the graph and the zeros are 2 and 3. 14th question, find the median of age of 100 residents of a colony from the following data. So based on this data, we have to find the median You know the median formula, which is nothing but L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. There is a formula to find the median class, that is n by 2, which is 100. N is 100 total frequency by 2, which is 50. So this 50 comes after this class interval. So 30 to 40 is our median class. So once we recognize or identify the median class students, we have to find L. In this 30 to 40, L is lower limit and 40 is upper limit. So L value is 30. I'm writing in the place of L as 30. N by 2 we got it as 50. CF is nothing but 46 by F. F is the frequency, which is 25, into height. H is width of the class interval, which is 10. So this can be written as 30 plus 50 minus 46 is 4 by 25 into 10. 4 tens are 40 by 25. So 40 by 25 is nothing but 25 ones are 25. Remainder is 15. We keep 0, which is 25 6 are 150. So 30 plus 1.6 is can be expressed as 31.6. So last problem of this question paper is construction. Construct an equilateral triangle of side 6 centimeters and construct a similar triangle to it whose side is 3 5 of the corresponding sides of first triangle. As 3 by 5 value is always less than 1, our required triangle will be comes inside the given triangle, which is this triangle. The name of the triangle is AC dash B dash, or AB dash C dash is similar to ABC. Thank you for watching, students.